Alright guys, this will be the tutorial and review video for the Suit Yourself card trick that was taught by me during free time on Monday. So first I'll show you guys the trick, or performance of the trick, and then I'll show you guys how to do it and do the review and tutorial part of the video. So for this trick I need to make sure I have 20, I'm just going to make sure I have 52 cards so you guys know it's a completely normal deck. So I'll just count them out, let's see how many I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. Okay, good. I got 52 cards. Give the cards some cuts so you know it's totally mixed up. And now I need Thomas to think of a number between 20 and 30. Don't tell me what it is, and just think of it in your head and cut about a quarter. Just tell me when to stop when you think I have about a quarter to a third of the cards in my hand.
Alright, that's good.
Right here, okay. So we'll put those cards over there. And now with that number between 20 and 30, so think of, so add the two digits together. So let's say it was 28, add 2 plus 8 equals 10, and then it'll memorize that card down in this packet, alright?
Alright.
Okay, so I'll just show the cards to you and then just remember that card down. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, got a card memorized? Okay, good. Now tell me when to stop when you think there's about half of these cards. I'm about halfway down this packet.
Just stop.
Okay, we'll put these cards right on top of there. And now you'll see your card is somewhere mixed into this packet. I have no idea where it could be. It's totally lost in there. I have no idea what your card is. And just to make sure that it's completely mixed, I'll just give the cards a cut even. Just like that. And place the rest of these cards now on top. So your card is just somewhere mixed into this deck. So what was the number between 20 and 30 that you memorized?
It's 21.
21, okay. So I'll deal on 21 cards onto the table. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Now, was it a red or a black card that you memorized?
It's a red.
It was red? Okay. R-E-D. Now, was it hearts or was it a diamond?
Hearts.
Hearts? Okay, hearts. H-E-A-R-T-S. Is that your card?
Yes.
Alright, so that's the trick, guys. Now let's do the tutorial. So for this trick, you need to make sure you have 52 cards. And to start out the trick, you say I'm going to count out to make sure I have 52 cards so that you know it's a perfectly regular deck, perfectly normal deck. And you just do that just so you can make an excuse to count out 52 cards. And you want to count with the faces up. So for starting from the bottom with the faces up, you say, okay, I'm going to count 52 cards. And as you're doing this, on the way as you're counting, you want to memorize the 25th card down. So I'll start. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So my 25th card is the Ace of Hearts, right? So I'll be remembering that, but you won't stop there. You just want to keep dealing down cards into your hand and go past that Ace of Hearts. So I'm at 25, and you go 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. And now, by doing that, now the Ace of Hearts is now in the 25th position from the top. So this trick is all set up and ready to go. So now what you ask them to do is to cut about a quarter to a third off the top of the deck, off the top. So that amount is like the optimal amount right there. You want to have about like 11, 12 cards in the pile. So maybe like a quarter of the deck. So just like that much. Ask them to cut that much off the top, or you can just say, tell me when to stop when you think I'm at about a quarter, like I did. And once you do that, you take that quarter, place it to the side, and then you ask the spectator to think of a number between 20 and 30, and then to add up the digits of the number. Well, first think of a number between 20 and 30, and then you say add up the digits of the number. So let's say they remember 25, you add 2 plus 5 equals 7, and then tell them to memorize that card down in this packet. So they'll be remembering the 7th card down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And when you're doing this, make sure you don't reverse the order. Just peel them off as they were in the actual packet. So 7. So they'll be remembering the 5 of diamonds, and then you just keep on going. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And don't reverse the order, otherwise the trick will not work. So they're memorizing the 5 of diamonds, and make sure they still remember their original number also. And so then they're going to want to cut, then you ask them to cut about half of the cards in this bigger pile over on the side over on top of this pile. So that's about half, and then put those on top. And then you take that pile with their card in it, and you say, there's no way I could know what your card was. I mean, you thought of whatever number you wanted. It's a totally normal deck. The deck was shuffled and everything. There's no way I could have known what the card was. And then this is where you look for that 25th card down that you memorized. So as you're looking through the packet, the pile of cards, you say, there's no way I can know what your card was, and you find that card. So mine is the Ace of Hearts, and you go to that card, and you split at that card, and you want to make sure that you split it so it's on the bottom of this pile, so it's at the bottom of this pile, or I guess technically the top if you're looking at it this way. You don't want to split it so that it's like this. You want to split it so that you take it over to the side like this, and then you say, okay, we'll give the cards the cut just to make sure it's totally mixed. And you do that, and you say, okay, let's place the rest of these cards now on top of the deck. And from here on, the trick is pretty much just easy, self-working. And you ask them to tell you what number they thought of. So we thought of 25, so we'll go 25 cards down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And then you ask them if it was a red or black card. In this case, it was a red card. It was a 5 of diamonds, so you go R-E-D. And now this is an important part. If they say it's a red card, then you ask them, was it hearts or was it a diamond? Because hearts has 6 letters. Hearts has H-E-A-R-T-S, 6 letters. Diamond has D-I-A-M-O-N-D, 7 letters. So if you ask them, was it hearts or was it a diamond? And if they say it's hearts, then you deal down hearts. You say H. If you go H-E-A-R-T-S, and you flip over the card after, and that'll be their card, right? That's 5 of diamonds, but they wouldn't say hearts in that situation. But if it's diamond, you say D-I-A-M-O-N, and then you flip over on the D, like that. So you need to make sure that you get that right. And also, if it's a black card, then you ask them, was it clubs or was it a spade? Because clubs has 1, 2, 3, 4, so C-L-U-B-S, 5 letters. Spade has 5 letters also, S-P-A-D-E. So you want to flip over on the letter. So if it was clubs, so if it was a black card, you deal down black, B-L-A-C-K, which is 5 letters, and then you ask them, was it clubs or was it a spade? And you say, they say clubs, then you go C-L-U-B, and you flip over on the S. But if it was a spade, then you say, okay, it was a spade, alright, S-P-A-D, and you flip over on the E. So that's how it works. You need to make sure you remember that, because that's pretty much a very key part in the trick, and if you mess that up, it won't work. But, so, in this situation, they'd say diamond, right? So it was a diamond, so D-I-A-M-O-N, D, there's their card, 5 of diamonds, and it's a pretty awesome trick. Hope you guys enjoyed the trick, and you guys can master this trick. It's a little tough, but I know that with practice you'll get it down. And practice that show for the Magic Show on Friday if it's your favorite, and I'll see you guys in the next video.